Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. Today, we're reviewing one of the most luxurious motorhomes money can buy, the 2025 Featherlite Vantare H3-45. Built on the legendary Prevost chassis, this ultra-premium coach blends elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology for those who want to take luxury living on the road. Let's take a closer look at what makes this masterpiece so special. Exterior. The exterior of the 2025 Featherlite Vantare H3-45 is nothing short of stunning. Its sleek, aerodynamic design is built on the proven Prevost H3-45 platform, known for its height, presence, and durability. The massive panoramic windshield gives it a commanding road presence, while the high-gloss custom paint jobs are works of art on wheels. LED accent lighting lines the body, and motorized awnings create the perfect outdoor lounge space. You also get exterior entertainment setups with hidden TVs and high-end speakers, ideal for tailgates or campsite movie nights. Simply put, this coach makes a statement wherever it goes. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported into a 5-star penthouse on wheels. The cabin is fully customizable, with handcrafted cabinetry, premium leather furniture, and imported stone surfaces. Every inch screams luxury. The salon features plush recliners, a large smart TV, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, think induction cooktop, convection oven, and a residential-size refrigerator. The master suite comes with a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and ensuite bathroom with a rainfall shower. Ambient lighting and premium climate control complete the ultra-comfortable experience. Performance. Under the hood, the Featherlite Vantare H3-45 is powered by a robust Volvo D13 or Detroit diesel engine, delivering smooth, reliable power for long hauls. It's mated to an advanced automatic transmission that ensures seamless shifting and great fuel efficiency for its class. Thanks to the Prevost chassis, the ride quality is exceptional. It glides over highways and rough patches alike. Air suspension, active stability control, and adaptive cruise make driving this 45-foot beast surprisingly manageable, whether you're behind the wheel or letting a professional driver handle it. Safety features. When it comes to safety, the Vantare H3-45 is equipped with everything you'd expect from a luxury motor coach. It features a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring to keep the driver fully aware at all times. Multiple fire suppression systems, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and robust emergency egress options provide added peace of mind for long journeys. The integrated security system ensures both the coach and your belongings are protected no matter where you stop. Unique selling points. What truly sets the 2025 Featherlite Vantare H3-45 apart is its customization and craftsmanship. Each coach is built to order, meaning no two are exactly alike. Whether you want a tech-heavy lounge, a spa-style bathroom, or even a built-in office or wine cellar, the possibilities are nearly endless. It's also one of the few motorhomes that offers a bus-style monocoque chassis, meaning better stability, larger storage bays, and a longer lifespan than traditional RVs, plus, it carries the prestigious Featherlite name, synonymous with high-end performance and impeccable quality. Price. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price. The 2025 Featherlite Vantare H3-45 starts at around $2.5 million, but the final price can easily cross the $3 million mark depending on your custom features and materials. It's not for the average traveler. This is a rolling mansion built for the elite few who want the very best of comfort, design, and performance. To wrap it up, the 2025 Featherlite Vantare H3-45 isn't just an RV, it's a lifestyle statement. With unmatched build quality, endless customization, and luxury that rivals the finest homes and hotels, it's the ultimate choice for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing a single comfort. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth reviews of luxury motorcoaches and high-end vehicles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Driven Vision. See you on the next ride.